Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set device type for your Earbuds Happy Plugs Joy on your Android device. You have to start by open Settings. Then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then I have it at the bottom, you may have it at the beginning, it depends on Android phone. Tap at this line, and right here you need to select headphones, so click on them, and we just set device type, so we see that this device use headphones device type. So we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!